Hello, Java enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled to see you here again, where we break down coding into easy, bite-sized lessons that anyone can grasp. Today, we're diving into something really exciting in Java 8, sorting custom objects. Okay, this is a fantastic feature that can really enhance your coding skills. Now, if you're feeling a bit unsure because you're new to this, don't worry at all. I'll be right here with you, guiding you through every single step of the process. Are you ready to become a sorting samurai? Let's jump right in and get started. First up, let's create a custom object. Think of this as designing your own data type. Today, we'll work with a class called person that includes names and ages. Let's talk about a program that creates a blueprint for a person. In programming, we call this blueprint a class. Here we have a class named person. The person class is public, which means it can be accessed from anywhere in our program. This is useful when different parts of our program need to know about or create people. This blueprint defines two main pieces of information about a person: their name and their age. In the code, string name means that the name is text, and int age means the age is a number. When we want to create a new person in our program, we use something called a constructor. Think of it like a special recipe that tells the program how to make a new person with a specific name and age. In our person recipe or constructor, we need two ingredients: a name and an age. The line person string name int age is how we start making a new person. We tell the program, here's the name and the age for the new person. Inside this recipe, we assign the given name and age to our new person using this.name, name, and this age and age. The word this helps the program understand that we are talking about the name and age of the new person we are creating, not anyone else's. Public string getName defines a public method called getName that returns a string. This method allows other parts of your program to access the value of the name field. Return name, this command returns the value of the name field of the object. Public int getAge defines a public method called getAge that returns an int. This method allows other parts of your program to access the value of the age field. Return age. This command returns the value of the age field of the object. In this program, we are going to work with a list of people and learn how to sort them based on their age using Java's powerful Stream API. Let's break it down step by step. We start by defining a package called com.techipavan.demo. A package is like a folder for organizing our Java classes. It helps in managing large projects by grouping related classes together. We are importing some important utilities from the Java library. ArrayList helps us create resizable lists to store data. List is a general interface for working with lists. Comparator is used to define custom sorting rules, in our case to sort people by their age. Here, we define a public class called main. This class contains the main method where the program execution begins. The main method is the entry point of every Java program. It tells the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, where to start running the code. In this part of the code, we are creating a list to store our person objects. First, we declare a list of person objects using ArrayList. Then we add 3 people to this list: Alice, Bob, and Charlie, each with their respective age. We are using the person class defined elsewhere to create these people. The constructor of the person class takes 2 values, the name and the age. Now comes the interesting part. We use Java's Stream API to process and sort the list of people. Let me explain what's happening here step by step. People.stream:. This converts the list of people into a stream. A stream is like a sequence of elements that we can process, such as filtering, mapping, or in this case, sorting. sorted, comparator.comparing, person, getAge. This line sorts the people in the stream based on their age. We use comparator.comparing to specify that we want to sort them by their age. The person, getAge part is a method reference which tells Java to use the getAge method from the person class to do the comparison. For each p, system.out println p name plus p age. Finally, we loop through each person in the sorted stream. The forEach method applies a certain action to each person. Here, we're printing each person's name and age using system.out.println. The expression p is a lambda function, which is a simpler way of writing a small block of code that takes a person p and prints out their name and age. In summary, we created a list of people, sorted them by their age, and printed the result using Java's Stream API. This approach is clean, efficient, and showcases some of Java's modern features like method references and lambda expressions.